Hello children, today I am here with the second part of your lesson Geometry. In part 1, we learnt about point, line segment, line, ray and some plane figures we learnt. Those are triangle, square, rectangle, circle. Now in this part, we are going to learn about some solid figures. So let us start. Children, before I introduce the solid figures to you, let me explain you some important terms which we will use here. The first term is surface. Now what is surface? Children, when I touch this part, this is known as surface. Okay. Now surfaces can be of two types, plane surface or curved surface. If I touch, it is a flat figure. So this is known as plane surface. But when we have any such kind of thing which can be rolled down, then it is known as curved surface. Let me give you one example. Suppose if I pick up this figure and I touch its side, it is plane. It can slide. It can slide. Then we will say it has plane surface. But when I pick up this figure, its surface, it can roll down. It is rolling down. So, we will say its surface is curved. The another term is edge. Now children, when we learnt about plane figures, this line segment which is used to make this figure is known as side. When we attach two sides this way, right? When two surfaces are joined together, we get the edge. Like, if I pick up again this figure, this is one surface and this is another surface. These two surfaces are joining here. So, this line segment which we are getting here is known as edge. The third term is vertex. Plural of vertex is vertices. This we have learned in plane figures also, that the corners are known as vertex. So here also the corner where these three edges are joining together is known as vertex. And when we in a figure we have more than one vertex, we call it vertices. Children, an object that occupies space is called solid. Solids are of different shapes. So we in this class we are going to learn few of them. The first one is cube. This shape is a cube. Now, I told you about surfaces. Let us observe the surfaces of this cube. See, this is a plane surface. This is also plane. This is plane. This is plane. The top is also a plane surface and the bottom is also a plane surface. These can slide. These all surfaces can slide. It is not rolling down. So, a cube has 6 surfaces which all are plane. The first figure is cube. It has 6 plane surfaces. Surfaces are also called faces. Now children, if I observe each of its surface or face, we will see that all the faces are square in shape. You already know the definition of square, that all the 4 sides will be equal. So here in all these surfaces, you can see the surfaces are square in shape. All surfaces are square. Now let us talk about its edges. Edges I told you where two surfaces join is known as edge. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, a cube has 12 edges. Now, let us count its vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. At the bottom side, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, a cube has 8 vertices. So, what are the properties of a cube? It has 6 plane surfaces. All the surfaces are square in shape. It has 12 edges and 8 vertices. Now, let us try to draw this. It is very easy to draw. Just make a square, and from half of this, again half outside and half inside, make another square of same size. Now join the corners with straight line. We get a cube. It's too easy. Now the next solid figure is cuboid. Let us count the surfaces here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Top, bottom, front, back, left and right. Again, this cuboid also has 6 surfaces and all the surfaces will slide. Again, it is not rolling down. So, all the surfaces are plane surfaces. So, again, the first property of cuboid is 6 plane surfaces it has. Now, count the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Just like a cube, cuboid also has 12 edges. But now look at this surfaces, shape of these surfaces. Children, you can see now the shape of this surface is a rectangle. This is the only difference between a cube and a cuboid. Cubes, all the surfaces are square, whereas of cuboid, the surfaces are rectangle in shape. Now, let us count the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the top, we have 4 vertices. Let us count from the bottom side. 5, 6, 7, 8. That means this also has 8 vertices. As I told you earlier also, that remaining all the properties of a cube and cuboid are same. Only there is one difference of the shape of the surface. Now let us try to draw a cuboid. Children, while drawing, let us count the edges also. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, from half of this, we will draw one more rectangle. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now join the corners. 9, 10, 11, 12. So we get 12 edges. In this figure, see the vertices also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Let us talk about the third solid figure. See children, this figure is known as cone. Now, let us see the faces here. If I touch this, it is a plane surface. It is sliding. But when we touch this surface, it is a curved surface. Children, it will roll down. See, this is rolling. So, this has 2 surfaces. One surface is plane, which is the bottom of this figure, and one surface is curved surface. This part is curved. Let us talk about its edge. Now, edge, you can see this is the edge because these 2 surfaces are joining here, but it is not a straight edge. It is a curved edge. So, cone has one curved edge, and you can see it has only one corner or vertex. So, cone has only one vertex. Let us draw this. While drawing, you can see these are looking straight lines. but actually this is a curved surface. You can see here it is a curved surface and it has circular base, and this base is a plane surface. Now the fourth solid shape which we have to learn is cylinder. Children, this shape is known as cylinder. See its faces or surfaces. It has two plane surfaces. This is a plane surface and this is a plane surface. It can slide. It is not rolling down. It is sliding. So it has two plane surfaces, whereas between these two plane surfaces, this surface is a curved surface. It is rolling. See, this is rolling. So it has overall three surfaces, two plane surfaces and one curved surface. Now see the edges of these surfaces. It has two curved edges. It is not a straight edge, it is a curved edge. So cylinder has two curved edges, and you can easily see that there is no corner or vertex. So cylinder does not have any vertex. Let us draw this. We will draw two straight lines. Actually it is showing us a curved surface, and the top and the base is circular in shape. So this is a cylinder. The last solid figure which we have to study is sphere. Children, this is a sphere. It looks like a ball and it is round in shape. So it has only one surface that is curved from all the sides. So it is rolling down just like a ball, and it has only one curved surface. You can see there is no edge in this figure and no vertex. So a sphere has one curved surface. It does not have any edge or any vertex, and we can simply draw it with a circle. I hope the solid figures are clear to you. Now what is your homework? You have to look around you and find different things which you are using and are having these solid shapes like cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder or sphere, and write down in your notebook some examples of these. Thank you, children.